Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi, and today I'm going to share with you a few things that may be dating your bathroom. I love this bathroom example. I think most of our bathrooms look like this, where we start with the typical orange cabinets, or I call it orange pecan color cabinet. This isn't too bad because it does have a granite countertop, but it does have the dated mirrors and the towel racks on the wall, carpet on the floor, which is a big no-no for bathrooms in today's environment. So we're going to take a look at some bathrooms and give you guys some pointers on things that you can do to update your space so that it looks amazing. This bathroom has been updated within the last 10 years, but the square tiles around the bathtub gives it a dated look. The dark cabinets, it does help. However, it is dated. Back to our lovely sample with bathroom with the, I call it the bubble lights for vanity lights, and they're just like makeup lights, and they're so dated and out of touch. I love this bathroom as a sample with the Corian countertops, the toilet paper ring inside of the wall. It is your typical dated bathroom. Now we're going to look at some before and afters. Here's a before of a bathroom that has those orange oak cabinets, and you've got 6x6 ceramic tile. The shower was super small, and it's actually a plastic shower. This pony wall here, or it's not a pony wall yet, but we're gonna change it into a pony wall and open up the space so that it makes the shower appear larger than what it is. I can't wait to show you guys the after of this bathroom, but truly it is a complete update. The entire bathroom is great, but I absolutely love this shower. Just taking down the wall, making it a pony wall, it opened up the space. You have an extra layer of glass and gives you a visual. The shower seat looks larger, added a picture frame in the shower. Match that with the same tile from the countertop. Perfection. Don't we love a good pink bathroom? This is adorable, right? We've got the gray tiles, we've got the rust. Turn this into an absolute spa adobe. It is beautiful. Giving it the exposed tile vanity. The toilet didn't move, but we mixed it up with quartz tile on the floor. The tub has a quartz top to it. Adding tiles. It is truly a spa-like bathroom. Would you look at the after of this bathroom just by adding a few different elements? It opened up the space. It made it seem larger, much more inviting, and it's not as dull. So these are little things. The cabinets, yes, they were painted out white, adding knobs, keeping things the same color tone, an off-white, gray, or white, and just bringing in subtle color. Love the dark frame mirror on the countertop, and then adding just a little bit of floral. It does change this bathroom completely. Who hasn't seen this brown dated bathroom with the vanity inset in the middle before? I can raise my hand. I've seen it too many times. The flat mirror on the wall. There's nothing framed in here. There's nothing to add any type of custom glamour to the space. Look at this difference it makes. Light, bright, airy. Her favorite color was orange, so we still have those dark orange elements in there. Framed out the mirror, so you can do a new mirror, frame it out. There's a company called, I believe it's Mirror Mate. They will do the exact same thing for you as well. And then we added touches of the orange. Since this is visible, I gave her drapery over the bathtub. Obviously, I placed that on a motor. I love that aspect to it. A little bit of floral in the shower area, mixed up those tiles as well. I think this bathroom is perfect. This bathroom isn't too bad for a before. It has marble countertops, white cabinets, framed mirrors. So some people would think, well, how much better can this get? Well, guys, wait and see the transformation for this bathroom. It is adorable. Went from having a wall end shower area, removed all of the wall, added glass, medallions in the shower. There's actually 4 different type of stone materials in the shower. Can I say enough about this bathtub? The clawfoot tub, singular, it just added much more space. We did keep the wallpaper on the walls, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I know, guys, that some of these bathrooms look like they are super expensive to do, but you can change your flooring, which is a large part of changing a bathroom and updating it, with some of these self-adhesive vinyl tiles. Look at this. This kitchen is absolutely gorgeous with this tile. It comes in an array of different patterns, colors, shapes. I'm going to be doing a video with a bathroom, and I'm going to use these exact same tiles over my existing floor. I think it's a great way to update the space, and then you can just paint your cabinets, paint the walls. Enjoy, guys. Take a look at some of these other before and afters and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about some of these ideas and tips.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need. Say, oh, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need. Say, oh, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.